tablespoons of extra virgin oil. Here I have a couple of garlic pieces. We could toss this around. The garlic pieces have turned slightly brown. Now we can add the onions. Here I have 1 cup of onions chopped. Give this a good mix. We could let this cook till it turn golden brown. Looks very colorful. Tomatoes are looking really good. Now we could add ground beef. Give it a good mix and let it cook for a couple of minutes. This looks delicious. Wow, this looks good. Mild taco seasoning, so it's not going to be too hot. No garam masala today. Wow, this looks... I've added almost 3/4 of the packet for this amount of meat. That should be enough. So we could give this a good mix again. Wow. A couple of leaves of cilantro. Wow, this is looking yum. Tacos look really good. Y'all are shaped like a boat. Wow, this looks really good. Now we could add the salsa. Add a little bit of salsa in each one. Now we're gonna add some cheese. Here I've used Colby jack cheese. Wow, this is looking beautiful. Wow, this is beef tacos Mexican style. Let's just eat one at a time. Wow, it's delicious. If you love the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on Friday evening. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.